In this video, we will take a look at adding and modifying dictionary entries. We will see how we can add new key value pairs and also how we can alter or modify existing values. We'll reuse our attributes dictionary from the previous lesson. Global warming has caused temperatures in Ireland to soar. The average temperature is now 20 degrees Celsius. And Ireland is fast becoming a popular destination for summer vacation. We need to update our average summer temperature to reflect this. We'll call our attributes variable, which is a dictionary, and we'll use our square brackets. We'll then add in the key we wish to access the value for, which is our average sum temp. And we use assignment, which is the equal sign, to assign our average summer temperature a new value of 20.0 degrees. We'll hit enter. Now when we call our average sum temperature value and hit enter, we get the updated value. We'll also update the last visit value. And we're going to set this to none. You've never been to Ireland. None is perfectly acceptable. If we were comparing this to values in a shapefile or a geodatabase, none would be the equivalent of null. Hit enter and we will check the update for our last visit value. And we can see nothing was returned. Let's print our attributes dictionary to screen. We can see that average summer temperature was updated to 20 degrees and last visit was updated to none. To add a new key value pair is identical to what we have just done. Let's create a new key called life expect for life expectancy. So we use our attributes variable, which represents our dictionary, and our square brackets, and within our square brackets we'll add in a string called life_expect. This is going to be our new key. I'm going to set the value to be 82. I'm pretty sure it was 82 years old the last time I checked. And hit enter. And if we print the attributes dictionary to screen, we can see that life expect has been added to our dictionary with a value of 82. In this video, we saw how we could access and modify values associated with a key in a dictionary. This was achieved using the square bracket notation and supplying in the key name, and then using assignment using the equal sign to assign a new value for that key. If the key already existed in the dictionary, it was updated. If the key did not exist, it was added as a new key value pair.